What's up, everybody? On a work trip out to Colorado, so flying into Denver this morning. About to get off this plane, meet my fishing guide at the airport, and see what Colorado's got to offer in terms of fly fishing. Stick around, stay tuned. Oh, went under. Just walked down to this river. It's called the Big Thompson. First impressions are, man, this place is absolutely beautiful. Deeper runs, fast water, still pools is the key here. I'm fishing a dry fly with a nymph on it. Oh, there it is. Oh. He is right on that back edge, like, see if I can get it to go back through there again. He's right there behind that dark spot on that rock. Right there is where he hit it last time.
Rainbow action.
Little Bobo. There it is, first one. Nice, dude. Now that's wild, right? Hit this one over here.
Yeah, we're trying to like go like right before that rock.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Oh, pulled it out. Yeah, I felt them on that one. Maybe it was a snag, but it came free real easy.
Yeah.
You have a slam?
Yeah, we do. I don't know about on this river.
Wet my hands. This guy will be kind of tough to see, but we got clear water right here. They're just very faint. All right. There you go.
And then,
All right. Alright guys, well, that is a wrap for a fly fishing adventure in Colorado. Been all over the mountains, had a blast. Look at this view of this lake. We came here to finish out the day, caught 3 or 4 more fish. Just awesome. Look at the snow in those peaks, man. Oh man, it's beautiful out here. You can wade anywhere you want in this whole park. It is a fly fisherman's dream out here. It's like the exact opposite at home, where everywhere you go, they're like, you can't do this, you can't do that if you're a fisherman. Well, here it's like free reign if you're the fisherman. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe. Catch you next time.